आज हम जाने वाले हैं एक ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ अलग सी जादू छाई हुई है।
And right now I feel like I'm on the top of the world.
जहाँ हर जगह हरियाली, खूबसूरती और सुकून आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी।
It's very nice and very peaceful also.
मैं बात कर रही हूँ ये छोटे से शहर करजत की, और इस एक दिन में we are going to see the top 6 places at करजत in this monsoon season. तो चलो चलते हैं।
What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So today I am at Karjat and I'm here to explore the place. I'm very excited because ऐसे बहुत सारे places है मेरे list में which are so nice and very beautiful places, and यहाँ पे I've seen that during the monsoon season it's even more spectacular. So I'm here during the monsoon season, like अभी monsoon start नहीं हुआ है, just a few rains, but then too यहाँ पे climate बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, and today the day is also very nice. Like look at the clouds behind, like it's so pretty.
करजत ने हमारा स्वागत बड़े ही खूबसूरत अंदाज में किया। The day was just perfect for the drive, and you cannot get over the mesmerizing sky, which was welcoming us with open arms to experience the beauty of Karjat. Karjat is located at a distance of 65 to 70 kilometers from Mumbai and is a great route for a smooth long drive. The roads are excellent and have a scenic view on either sides covered with greenery and nature. Pune to Karjat is around 100 kilometers via Mumbai-Bengaluru highway, which is another scenic driving route. Karjat also has its own local railway station, which has great connectivity from Mumbai, so travelling from train is a good option as well. And there is local transport to travel to the interiors of the city. और ऐसे टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हमें ले आए हमारी पहली मंजिल पर।
So I'm over here at the first location, which is the Morbe Dam that you kind of see behind me. Like जब भी हम आए from the drive, it's so pretty. Like the dam, पानी भी काफ़ी अच्छा भरा हुआ है. This dam is like 2 kilometers inside the main road. Whole Pune Mumbai highway से थोड़ा 2 किलोमीटर अंदर आएंगे तो you'll find this dam, which is stunning. Like look at it, it's so nice. And यहाँ पे पानी भी काफ़ी अच्छे से भरा हुआ है, so that is amazing. So we're gonna go and take a closer look to the dam.
कुछ जगहें ऐसी होती है जिसकी शांति हम तक कई सारे बातें पहुंचा जाती है। मोरबे डैम आकर ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ। This place speaks for itself with its beauty and grandeur. It was like the sky was greeting the water in the most spectacular way. Morbe Dam supplies water to Navi Mumbai and neighboring areas. It's a gravity dam on Dhavari River. चारों ओर बस शांति और चिड़ियों की सुरीली सुर सुनाई दे रही थी। The whole experience was blissful and we enjoyed every bit of it.
For visiting the Morbe Dam, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे points है that are the view points which you can come and see. This is one of the view points which we first found out on Google Maps.
After that peaceful and beautiful view, we headed to our next destination.
So now we are at our second location. This is the Badrinath temple. As you can see, it's so nice. There's a big Shiva Murti also right behind me. But sadly this mandir is now closed due to COVID. Even the gate is very beautifully built, and this is also like the replica of the original Badrinath temple. Whenever you go from the highway, like the old Mumbai-Pune highway, you'll always find this temple. And this is also the replica of the Char Dham, like चारों धाम इसके अंदर ही है. And ऐसा इन्होंने ये पूरा create किया, and it's very nice and very peaceful also. location. This is the ND Studio that you see behind me. I have a separate video of my visit to ND Studio. I'll make sure to link that video also. But this basically is a film studio where a lot of movie shooting takes place. I'm at the KBC set, and this is where the first season of KBC was shot.
Sitting on the throne where King Ashoka used to sit, it is massive.
So currently ND Studio is closed, but whenever the lockdown opens and the rules relax a little bit, ये जल्दी open होने वाला है. It's an amazing place for a one-day trip also. Like under there are a lot of film sets also that you can see and see how shooting used to happen in this set. And it's a really nice experience. I would definitely recommend this place at Karjat for sure. Really nice after having that lassi, because in this hot weather having a lassi feels so nice and so refreshing. So this is the dairy farm, Shri Baba Dairy, and this is the road that you see behind me.
इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद हमारे सफ़र की फिर से शुरुआत हुई, एक नई जगह की खोज में जो ले आया हमें इस मोड़ पे.
See how peaceful it is. Like छोटा सा गांव आता है. From there you have to go and drive through your way inside the dam. We are having a little trouble finding the dam, but hopefully we get to there really soon. And this location is so nice. यहाँ पे you can do a very nice photo shoot as well. Like कितना greenery and nice. This is the Doom Lake and the dam. So that behind me is the Doom Lake. Iska dam is not visible quite from this location. We're gonna go ahead and see if we could see the dam. So this is also a small dam which is located inside a village. This is also one of the very unexplored places here in Karjat. I don't think a lot of people know about this place, but now you know. And the water is also very clean and very blue also. And today the day is also so nice because of the puffy clouds and all, so it feels nice, and photos will also come really nice right now.
The Doom Dam is truly a hidden gem in Karjat. We faced some trouble while coming to this place as we couldn't find the way. पर वो कहते हैं ना, सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. पर यहाँ सब्र का फल मीठा ही नहीं बल्कि दिल को छू गया. किसे बताता ऐसी जगह हमारा इंतज़ार कर रही थी, ऐसी जगह जो हमने बस पिक्चरों में देखी थी. मन तो कर रहा था बस इस जगह को देखते ही जाओ.
Made it to the base of this lake. This is a point from where you can see the lake from up close, and this is like a small little lake which is surrounded by these nice pretty mountains. And during the monsoon season it would be such an amazing view because the mountains will be all greener now. So if now it is like this, so imagine how it would be during the monsoon. And the water would be also filled till the top. Abhi also there is a lot of water, but in the monsoon there will be a lot more water than usual. And this is how pretty the view is. So after spending some time at this lake, now we're heading forward to our next destination. This is such a peaceful place, and we did not expected it to be like super nice, and a very underrated and very lesser known place, but feel really nice to come to this place and see this beauty around, and it's definitely mind blowing. The Forest Club Resort here in Karjat area, and this is a beautiful property. Also have special rooms which have direct access to the pool, and we're currently here to have our lunch. So it's almost lunchtime right now, and I'm super hungry as well. So I think we'll get some great food over here, and I'm going to show you also what we are ordering and what we eat. Let's go. good, and I've also ordered lasagna, so I'm waiting for that as well. We just had our lunch at the restaurant, and I'll give you like a quick verdict of the food that we had. The first one was butter chicken with roti, but the butter chicken was good and the roti was also soft. The other thing that was very not that good was the lasagna, but here the lasagna tasted very different, and it wasn't actually like a lasagna. It was like an English khichdi ऐसा लग रहा था, but I don't know, but not recommend the lasagna over here for sure. But the view is amazing over here. This is actually located on a standalone hill. आजू बाजू कुछ नहीं है. All you can see is this nature, this beauty around it. This is the room at Forest Hill. It's a pretty decent room, not a big one. And this is the bed, that's the washroom area. But the other rooms, which are the special ones, have direct access to the pool. This one sadly does not have that. I'll see if I can show you that room as well. This is the amazing pool facing room that I was talking about in the beginning. All these have the direct access to the private pool, which is so amazing. So this is the pool facing room. This is the interior. It's a pretty spacious room as compared to the one that we saw in the beginning. And this have the direct access to the pool, where you can jump directly from the bed inside the pool, which is so amazing. And the pool goes all the way over there. It covers all these cottages that we have over here. This was the Forest Club Resort, a great place to relax, unwind, be with nature. The rooms are also nice. The rooms having the pool view, I think, were my personal favorite. I wanted to see this place since a very long time, since it was first started back like 1 or 2 years ago, and now it's like a very popular place. A lot of people are coming. I really enjoyed the few hours that we were in this place. So we are now heading to a waterfall, which is Bhivpuri waterfall, and that is the route that we have to go. Like रास्ता कैसा है यहाँ पे, but I'm super excited to check it out. You can see the waterfall like that. Hill over there has some water that's flowing, but अभी since monsoon इतना बारिश इतना हुआ नहीं है, the water isn't that much. But I just wanted to show you the route that we have to go. This is the off-roading route that we have to go, and I'm super excited, but also scared for the tire of the car. So we almost made it to Bhivpuri waterfall. That what you see behind me is the waterfall, but अभी बारिश आया नहीं है इतना, so the waterfall isn't to the fullest. Also, you have to park your vehicle at there 1.5 kilometers something to reach to the bottom of the waterfall. बारिश के time this would be such an amazing location.
Since there was no waterfall currently, we decided not to go ahead. पर चेहरे में उदासी नहीं बल्कि खुशी छाई हुई थी. गम इस बात का नहीं था कि हम वाटरफॉल को जा नहीं सके, पर खुशी इस बात की थी कि हम यहाँ इस पल में इस खूबसूरती को जी रहे थे. दैट इज़ द मैजिक ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग. हर बार एक नई सोच, एक नई बदलाव को हमारे अंदर लाती है. क्या कभी ऐसा सोचा है?
Karjat is also known for this local handmade kitchen utensils, which are like bottles, cups, pans. You'll find a lot of these in the street side shops where people are selling those as well. Side of the road, you'll find a lot of the street shops which are selling the food item called as shingara, which is the local speciality over there, and it has like a green outer cover and it's white inside, and it's very sweet, and it's very rare that you find this in the city, but here you find a lot of those. On the way back home, we found this shop which are serving like these Konkan masalas. They have papads, they have masalas and all different types of chutneys as well. And I talked to the person in charge, and she told me that they manufacture this in Alibag and then they bring it over here.
और ऐसा रहा हमारा ये यादगार दिन करजत में.